Introducing the new KickAss Portable Ceiling Fan. Okay, fellas, come on, bring it down. You ripper, look at that. So check this out. Turn her on, away you go, you've got a ceiling fan. Now you've got 4 speeds as well, so you can enjoy that cool, refreshing breeze. It even has a light, so you can see what's going on. We even throw in a remote control that you can lose, a run time of up to 19 hours on a single charge via USB, and it's perfectly safe too. If you accidentally get near it, the fan blades are just going to stop. Oh well, start it back up again and away you go. It's not going to hurt anyone. So the KickAss Portable Ceiling Fan, imagine hanging it inside your swag, from your rooftop tent, inside your car to keep your dog cool. It has a attachment underneath it that you can screw into a lot of different devices. And check this out, I've got one of our KickAss portable tripods here. I've screwed it on the side and now I've got a stand for me fan. How cool is that? So head in store or online now and grab your KickAss Portable Ceiling Fan. You ripper!